fun chats with JD and guests where you get to relive the magic that happened on air. Due to copyright reasons, music has been removed and parts of the show have been edited for AOD purposes. All right, Dove, I'll be loving you because we're going to talk about pets today and how to take care of your pets in the super, super, super hot weather.
네네네. 오늘은 바로 아마 여러분 집 가족들 중에 그 말 못한 식구 한 분씩 계시죠? 바로 반려동물인데요. 사람보다 더위에 더 약한 반려동물을 위해 오늘은 여름철 실내외 건강관리 수칙 10가지 반려견 아니면 뭐 반려동물 건강관리 수칙 10가지를 소개해 드리려고 왔는데요. 자, 멍멍, meow.
Right.
Are you guys ready to listen to our show?
Right. I mean, lots of people have pets, right? And
That's right.
then, but then people go to work, right? And they leave the pet at home alone
맞아요.
or whatever. So we have to be careful, especially if you're like not leaving the air conditioner on or there's no breeze or like the pet is not outside, or even if your pet is outside and it's really hot and they're in the sun, you have to be super, super, super careful
That's right.
about your pets. So indoor and outdoor tips for your pets. I did read an article recently that there's like because you have to register your pet, right? And so even Gwangju, they're having a campaign right now where you have to register all of your pets. About 15 million
Wow.
registered pets, right? Including cats and dogs. So you have to be very careful, and especially in the hot, hot summer, because, you know, they're covered in hair, fur. So they're hotter than, you. So make sure, number one, keep fresh water available at all times.
네, 시원하고 깨끗한 물은 항상 준비해 주세요. 물그릇이 비어있지 않는지 자주 확인해 주시고, 왜냐하면 여름이다 보니까 아이들이 물을 많이 마시게 되는데 항상 물그릇이 잘 비어있지 않은지 자주 확인해 주시고 하루 종일 신선한 물을 마실 수 있도록 해주는 게 중요합니다.
But I think there's like lots of things you can buy. You can buy so many appliances for your pets these days.
그런
Like
것
it
같아요.
keeps the water flowing or keeps it like fresh or cool or whatever. I think many pet owners are spending so much money on the pets these days.
많이.
So
그러니까요.
please take care of your pets, everybody, or get like a pet sitter or something. Take the pets to like somebody who's at home who can take care of them, right? Or maybe ask your neighbor or somebody, just check in on the pet during the day. Also, as we had yesterday, avoid going outdoors or walking your pets between the hottest part of the day because the poor pets on the pavement, it's so hot. Their poor paws. Or maybe just a grassy area. I think that's really great, but definitely, please.
네.
Avoid walking your dog early in the morning or, go out. Well, avoid in the hottest part of the day. So go earlier in the morning when it's cooler, shaded areas, or after sunset
네,
to
맞아요.
prevent heat stroke also in pets.
반려동물들은 산책하는 걸 너무너무 좋아하는데요. 어제와 똑같은 말씀을 드리고 있네요. 산책은 더위를 피해 아침이나 저녁으로 오전 11시부터 오후 4시까지는 노. 햇볕이 가장 강한 시간이죠. 그래서 그때는 아니고요. 반려동물 산책은 아침 일찍이나 해진 뒤에 하시는 게 좋을 것 같습니다.
Right, everybody. Also, never leave your pets in a parked car. Oh my God. Provide shaded outdoor areas. So if your pets are outdoors, if you have like a garden or whatever, make sure that there's like shaded outdoor areas for your pets and use cooling mats or fans indoors.
네.
Because your dog or cat, right? It's so hot. Remember, they have fur.
그러니까요. 저는 가만히 생각해 보면 옛날에도 캐나다에서 이런 그 TV 쇼를 본 적도 있긴 한데 그 잠깐 마트에 갔다 온다고 아이들을 그냥
No.
예, 차에다 놔두고 다녀올 때가 있는데 그 잠깐이 굉장한 온도가 올라가거든요.
Of course.
만약 햇빛 밑에 있다고 하면은 그리고 저도 정말 찜질방도 좋아하고 그러거든요. 사우나를 좋아하거든요. 그런데 오래 높은 온도 안에 그 찜질방에 들어가 있으면 답답하고 숨이 안 쉬어져서 너무 힘들어요. 근데 그거를 말 못하는 반려동물이 들어있다 하면은 너무 더운 그 찜통 속에 정말 힘들 것 같아요, right? 그래서
Right.
not just the pet, elderly people and the children always never ever leave them in the car by themselves, okay?
Right, everybody. Especially if you like no air conditioner or whatever. So if it's like
맞아요.
hot, you turn it off. Don't do it even for a moment.
Mm-hmm.
Use those cooling mats. As I mentioned, there's so many pet accessories, pet things. Even the online shopping malls, they have like the whole pet section. So I'm pretty sure they're going to be really busy with those things. And of course, if you have a dog or pet with longer hair, it might be time for light grooming, right? Brushing or going to the pet trimmers to get the hair trimmed. And also try, I know it's very cute, everybody, but people dressing their dogs up with like heavier things, that's also
맞아요.
adding extra like heat to your dog, or cat. You want them to have a kind of breathable, free
맞아요.
air on their body.
지금 아이들이 옷을 입고 있는데 그 위에다 또 옷을 입히는 거하고 똑같잖아요. 그죠?
Oh my
근데
god.
제이디가 말씀하신 것처럼 반려동물의 그 옷들, 귀여운 옷들 입히는 게 좋긴 좋지만은 굳이 여름에는 필요할까? Maybe during the winter time is okay, but not during the summer time, right?
Right.
그래서 항상 생각 좀 해주시고요. 그 다음에 요즘에는 그런 것도 있더라고요. 그 아이들 이렇게 가슴에 착용을 하는데 우산처럼
Ah, right,
되게
right.
귀여웠어요. 그러면서 비도 피할 수도 있고 햇빛도 피할 수 있는 그런 선캡과처럼 생겼는데 그런 것은 좋을 것 같지만 옷은 아니다. 옷은 아니다, 여러분 아셨죠? 그리고 적당히 털도 적당히 다듬어 주는 것만으로도 시원할 수 있으니 털도 좀 다듬어 주세요, 여러분. Right?
We want to keep our pets very, very safe, everybody. So we're going to listen to some really awesome music right now, and it's going to be really cool. Send us your thoughts and if you are a pet owner, right? What are you doing? Like real amazing tips from our pet owners about really, really, really some great tips for taking care of your pets, everybody. And you can text it to us on #970 shop 9870. We're waiting for you.
네네.
We've got Beach House right now from Peter Elias because we want to go to the beach house. And keep your texts coming into us. Fun chats with JD and guests where you get to relive the magic that happened on air. Due to copyright reasons, music has been removed and parts of the show have been edited for AOD purposes. All right, beach house. I definitely feel like we want to have a beach house. If you do have the opportunity, right, or if you have some outdoor things, maybe just wet your pet, your dog, if you're like outside running around.
맞아요.
Like give them like a little refreshing, I don't know, rinse in the air.
네.
Remember to trim your pet's hair, and also usually for dogs, they sweat through their paws. Kind of they're breathing. So monitor the breathing. If your pet is like all the time, probably they're very, very hot. You want to keep them cool, everybody. Watch out for signs of heat stroke, panting, drooling, or suddenly your dog doesn't have energy, right?
Okay.
They might be overheating. And avoid the hot pavements, the sidewalks. This is really important because actually your pet, they can burn their paw
Paws,
pads.
yeah.
And that is not a good thing.
맞아요. 가끔은 시원한 물로 목욕이나 몸을 닦아주세요. 차갑지 않은 물로 간단하게 식히거나 젖은 수건을 닦아주는 것도 좋고요. 너무 자주 할 필요는 없고 상태를 보며 조절해 주시면 좋을 것 같고요. 그다음에 강아지들도 그다음에 제가 봤을 때는 고양이들도 모든 반려견들도 열사병 증상을 생기는 것 같아요. 그래서 어떤 그 증상이 있냐면요. 헐떡임 아니면 침물림, 무기력함을 보이면 더위로 인한 이상 신호일 수가 있어서 이런 증상이 보이면 즉시 시원한 곳으로 이동을 시켜주던지 살짝 시원한 물로 목욕을 살짝 해주시던지 하시는 게 좋을 것 같습니다. 그리고 여러분 뜨거운 아스팔트는 반드시 손으로 먼저 한번 확인해 보시고 사람이 손바닥으로 5초 이상 못 견딘다면 반려동물 발바닥도 데일 수가 있어요. 그래서 상책 전에 좀 체크하는 것도 필수라고 봐요. 제가 최근 저 어제도 말했고 그제도 말했는데 최근에 수영장 갔다 왔잖아요. water park. 그런데 제가 깜빡 잊고 I didn't bring my aqua shoes. 아쿠아 슈즈를 가져가질 않았어요. 그래서 맨발로
Oh, your
다녔었거든요.
flip-flops or something
Oh, I wasn't allowed to wearing any flip-flops except the aqua shoes.
in the water
Outside
around the
around whole area. 그러니까 수영장 전체를 돌아다닐 때 맨발로 돌아다니거나 아니면
right.
아쿠아 슈즈를 신거나 둘 중에 하나만
Okay.
가능했었거든요. 근데 제가 깜빡하고 아쿠아 슈즈를 안 갖고 갔는데 햇볕이 엄청 쬐었잖아요.
Yeah.
그러니까
Oh, your feet.
네. 발바닥이 너무 뜨거운 거예요. 그래서 얼른 달려가가지고 물에 한번 집어 담그고 그리고 나오고 그다음에 걸어 다니면서 또 뜨거우면 빨리 물 속에 물 쪽으로 가서 발을 한번 담그고 또 나오고 걸어가고 그랬었거든요. 근데 그 생각을 하면 와 반려견들도 여름에 좀 이렇게 걸어 다니는 게 쉽진 않겠다. right?
Right, of course.
Uh-huh.
Like your pets, especially if they have to like run around in the street, you have no idea how hot that pavement is because
맞아요.
you're walking in shoes, right? And you're the poor little pets. So definitely watch out for the signs of heat stroke. You can go research this like for specific dog breeds or so on. Also, bathe or wipe your pets down occasionally, as I mentioned, right?
Yep.
Especially dogs or so on, they like keep cool by their stomach, right? Laying on something cool with their stomach for most parts. So that's why maybe a cooling pad or like a fan is also really important. And also, you want to adjust the feeding times during the cooler parts of the day because sometimes, even for yourself, when it's too hot, you don't feel like eating. You're like, oh, I don't want to eat right now.
맞아요.
So, but you also want to keep the stamina of your pets up. So they need to have food. Maybe you want to do something a bit more liquidy. You want to like give them like bone broth or something. Also, make sure that they are having balanced meals, right? So, because you're a pet owner, do some extra research on yourself. Every pet is different. Every dog breed is different. They need their own different things. So, just go online and go look what does my pet need during a hot summer. This is the responsibility you as a pet owner, okay?
네, 맞아요.
And don't leave your pets like at home alone. These days, you can get the CCTV, right? Just check on your pets, make sure that they're like not doing anything. Or maybe ask grandma or grandpa, can you babysit the pets? Or ask a neighbor. Or think 2 or 3 or 5 times before getting a pet if you are like not at home, right?
맞아요.
If you're going to go to work for 8 hours a day and you have nowhere for your pet to be or your pet's just going to be indoors, please think again before getting a pet.
사료는 서늘한 시간대에 주시고요. 여러분, 더위로 인해 입맛이 떨어질 수가 있어요. 그래서 이른 아침이나 늦은 저녁 아이가 편안할 때 식사를 준비해 주시는 게 좋고요. JD가 말씀하신 것처럼 종류마다 그러니까 반려동물의 종류마다 다 다를 수가 있으니까요. 반려동물을 키우신 분들은 그 책임감을 가지시고 한번 그 웹에서 아이를 키우기 위해서 해야 하는 방법들 아니면은 여름을 피하는 방법들을 좀 서치해 보시면서 반려동물을 키우는 게 좋지 않을까라고 말씀을 해주시고 계시네요. Thank you very much, JD, for amazing info about how to treat these amazing our pets during the summer, right?
Well, we're only talking about like dogs and cats, right? But some people have goldfish or fish or something.
Oh,
you have
and
to
turtle.
or a turtle.
Yes.
Or some people have birds or
That's right.
something. Like you have to really, really think very carefully before getting these animals. Like how are you going to deal with them in the hot weather? Because when you're at home alone, the windows are closed or whatever. Those poor animals experience the heat differently to you, right? So
맞아요.
please be very careful about all of these things. And Gwangju is having a drive these days. You have to register your pet and make sure that if you take your pets out, if especially dogs, please pick up their poop. Please take a bag.
맞아.
because there's so many things in my neighborhood. Sometimes you just walk outside and you're like everywhere. So be a responsible pet owner.
맞아요, 맞아요. 그런 되게 외국인 분들은 그 뭐라 하죠? The poo bag, right?
Even in Korea, like everybody has it,
Yeah, I
right?
know.
But some people don't.
Yeah.
And
근데
I'm like, oh,
한국 분들은 잘 이게 아직 적응이 안 돼서인 것 같아요. 반려동물이 이렇게 많아지기 시작한 게 오래되진 않았잖아요. 근데 반려동물이 함께 외국인 분들은 함께한 지 굉장히 오래되어서
right.
반려동물의 인권이라든지 이런 게 되게 조금 더 뭐라 하죠? 더 활발하다고 해야 될까요? 그런데 그래서 항상 여러분 외국 사람들은 반려동물을 데리고 나갈 때마다 꼭 똥을 쌌거나 뭔가 이렇게 made a mess, right? 이렇게
Right.
어지럽히거나 하면은 항상 그 자리를 정리하시고 가시는 그게 있어요. 그게 습관이고 그게 꼭 해야 되는 책임감이라고 생각을 하시고 하는데 한국 분들은 똥 쌌네, okay, it's good for the environment, let's live it like
Not
that.
in the street.
근데 가끔가다 저희 아이들 똥 많이 밟고 오거든요. 그래서 여러분 혹시 반려동물을 키우신다고 하면은 항상 아이들이 큰 대변을 보거나 뭔가 이렇게 지저분하게 만들었을 때 뒷정리는 좀 해주시는 게 맞는 것 같아요. 오케이?
Right, right. Even my apartment, the people downstairs, they put the big sign on the door because someone's dog was like pooping in front of the door. They're
아,
like,
진짜?
we're watching you. Like, please pick up after your dog. So I was like, oh, okay. So be a responsible pet owner. Seriously, you have to. Don't be like, oh, it's so cute. I'm just going to buy it and I will have fun. But you have to think about all the other things, right? Especially during this part of the year. So, everybody, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Some of these are available on the website or the Tube channel. Go check them out. And I will see you again tomorrow on the rebroadcast.
Okay, I will see you tomorrow and also on Monday. On Monday, I will bring, I don't know, something.
Snacks?
Snacks? Why not?
Right. Oh, yes. Here's a new artist for us, Victoria Noel with In the Name of Love. And I'll see you after the commercial. Stay tuned. Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs.
Here are the 17 Sustainable Development Goals in English and Korean. 1. No poverty. 빈곤 퇴치. 2. Zero hunger. 기아 종식. 3. Good health and well-being. 건강과 웰빙 보장. 4. Quality education. 양질의 교육. 5. Gender equality. 성평등. 6. Clean water and sanitation. 깨끗한 물과 위생. 7. Affordable and clean energy. 저렴하고 깨끗한 에너지. 8. Decent work and economic growth. 양질의 일자리와 경제 성장. 9. Industry, innovation and infrastructure. 산업, 혁신, 그리고 인프라. 10. Reduced inequality. 불평등 감소. 11. Sustainable cities and communities. 지속 가능한 도시와 지역 사회. 12. Responsible consumption and production. 책임 있는 소비와 생산. 13. Climate action. 기후 변화 대응. 14. Life below water. 해양 생태계 보호. 15. Life on land. 육상 생태계 보호. 16. Peace, justice, and strong institutions. 평화, 정의, 강력한 제도. 17. Partnerships for the goals. 목표를 위한 글로벌 파트너십.